The Bosch dishwasher error code E06 indicates a fault with the machine's door sensor. This error typically occurs due to issues such as short circuits on the electrical components associated with the door sensor or faulty wiring between the main control board and the sensor. To fix the error, a hard restart of the appliance can be attempted by turning it off, cutting the power supply for about 30 seconds, and then restoring the power. This should clear the error if it's caused by minor electrical faults. Alternatively, checking the door sensor is necessary, as the error may be caused by faulty connections between the sensor and the main control board. To do this, the power supply to the appliance should be cut, and the screws holding the front panel and control panel in position should be removed. The front panel should then be pulled back to allow the control panel to be dislodged, and the wire harnessing between the door sensor and the main control board should be inspected for faults and repaired or replaced as needed. Once the necessary repairs have been made, the appliance should be reassembled before being plugged back in.